Assalamu alaikum friends. Umrah guide and duas. Ihram. In the term of Sharia, Ihram means forbidden, covering two sheets on one's body. With the intention of Hajj or Umrah before a place of miqat in Mecca is called Ihram. The purpose of wearing it is that the servant of Allah has appeared in the presence of the Lord Almighty in such a state that he is no longer dependent on this world or all the relationships he has left behind, and only Allah. Before putting on ihram, first of all, it is important to make an intention. One should perform ghusl and trim your nails. Recite 2 rak'ah of traveling salah and read the dua to leave home. Pilgrims should start reciting talbiyah and after intending umrah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
Tawaf. Enter the Masjid Ihram with the right foot and recite Talbiyah. Enter the house of Kaaba with utmost politeness and read this.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar.
The meaning of Tawaf is to go around or go round during Hajj or Umrah. Circumambulating 7 times around the Kaaba is called Tawaf. Before Tawaf, the men will take their straight arm out of the cloak and stand on the left side of the black stone or the black strip of the floor aligned with it facing the Kaaba. After the intention of Tawaf, come over to the red belt and face the black stone and raise your hands up to the ears in such a way that the palms are facing the black stone. After that, should we leave the hand and kiss the black stone? This is not possible. It should be kissed with the tip of the hand and move towards the Kaaba. Then, while standing on the black belt, the direction should be changed so that the Kaaba is on the left side and the dua of the Tawaf should be recited. Men will move forward while performing Rimal. While women are not commanded to perform Rimal, if you do not remember the dua of Tawaf, recite the Kalma Shahada, Istighfar or this. Subhanallah wa bihamdillahi wa Allahu Akbar. After 3 rounds, the Rimal will be closed and the remaining 4 rounds will be run at normal speed. Once you reach the Yemeni corner, either touch it with your hand, do not kiss it, and say Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Or if unable, then continue without gesturing or saying from the Yemeni corner to the black stone, and should be recite this.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar.
After completion of 7 cycles or tawaf, Islam should be performed or Islam should be indicated, and tawaf should be completed at the same time. Istaba should be removed. After that, 2 rak'ah salah should be offered at Maqam Ibrahim and supplication should be made. Maqam Multazam is the special place where acceptance received. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, used to pray here. After that, come to the well of Zamzam and recite Bismillah in 3 breaths and stand facing the Qibla and drink as much water as you can. Say Alhamdulillah and recite this dua.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inna نسألك علما نافعا ورزقا واسعا وشفاء من كل داء.
After drinking Zamzam water, one should make the intention of saying. Then raise both hands facing the Kaaba and praise and glorify Allah through specific words. Now recite this dua while moving towards Safa Marwa.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله فمن حج البيت أو اعتمر فلا جناح عليه أن يطوف بهما ومن تطوع خيرا فإن الله شاكر عليم.
While coming down from Safa or Marwa, the dua should be recited in special words. As soon as you get down from Safa, the journey towards Marwa will begin. This dua should be recited while traveling towards Marwa.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
This dua should be recited 3 times while raising your hands facing the Qibla on the top of Marwa.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير لا إله إلا الله وحده أنجز وعده ونصر عبده وهزم الأحزاب وحده.
Coming from Safa to Marwa will be counted as one cycle, while coming from Marwa to Safa will be counted as another cycle. Thus the 7th cycle will be completed at Marwa. Leave the Masjid al-Haram. While leaving the Masjid al-Haram, the left foot should be taken out. This is the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and this dua should be recited.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله اللهم أني أسألك من فضلك.
After the conclusion of the say, one should come out of the masjid and cut the hair. Men may cut all of their hair, which is called halaq or cut. Some of their hair as a sign, which is called taqsir. And women cut hair equal to a pore from the back of the head. Now the prohibition of ihram will end and umrah is completed. Now you can go to your residence and take off ihram. May Allah accept this effort of ours and forgive us if there is more or less.